Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the channel. I got some new subscribers, so guys, thanks a lot for subscribing. Hope you like the content and kind of like the slow build that we're doing. So what's going on today, what this video is going to be about. As you know, Calimer transmission is in stage 3, and since we brought it home, the car really hasn't been ran. The shop didn't run it, they didn't test drive it, it was just snowy out. We trailered it home, and we noticed a noise in the transmission at idle. And apparently this is perfectly normal, which this I didn't anticipate. Now, I was forewarned by Calimer that it was going to have a whine, but I had no idea that it's also going to make some noise at idle. Now, that's again, when the transmission and when the car is idling, there are some gears rotating. When you push the clutch in and then it goes quiet, of course, the gears stop rotating and allows for that momentary gear change. And then you go back, let the clutch out. So as you're driving, that may not be noticeable, but sitting at idle, it's kind of takes away from the car, if you will, the niceness from the car. So hopefully it'll quiet down. The other share that the Calimer shop had with me was that the gears are polished, they come back polished, and apparently mine were suspected they were polished a little more than others because when they ran it on the test machine, the training was a little bit quieter than normal. So that's on the positive note. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get it up on jack stands. We're gonna let you guys hear the car idle first, and then we're just gonna run it through the gears, and let you get a real feel of what it sounds like. We should be able to hear the whiny noise, and hopefully this thing will quiet down. If it does not quiet down much, I do have some plans on trying an additive. We'll do another vid on that, but for today, we're gonna get the car moved out. We'll get to hear a real cold start. Why? Because it's like 28 degrees out, maybe less. So let's check out the cold start and see how that goes. So we are at idle. Car is relatively cold. We're at 77 degrees. We're gonna let it warm up. Okay, we have the decibel meter going. Car's idling. Clutch is in. We're gonna let it out slowly. I'm gonna stop talking so the decibel meter can kind of calm down. We'll let the clutch out so slowly, and then we'll let you guys hear what's going on. High 50s. Now this is a friction sound. Clutch is in. So there is a from the cabin, honestly, it's a significant change. If I were to add this to my best and worst mods, you know where I stand there. So I wasn't expecting this, to hear this in your cabin. It's kind of annoying. It sounds like there's something wrong with your car. I hope that it's gonna somewhat go away once we get some time on it. If not, we're going to try and, like I said, add an additive to see if that works, quiet it down. We do have the AMS oil 7590 transaxle fluid, fully synthetic as recommended by Calimer. You can actually hear it from outside the car. There's just a slight noise. We're gonna try and go through the gears. Let's see what happens. Traction lights coming on. This is second gear. We're going to turn traction control off. I don't hear any gear whine on the inside, which is good. We'll go back to first gear. That was fourth gear. It wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. Some noise. That was fourth gear. It wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. Some noise. We'll do it one more time. That didn't feel right, so I backed out of it. this to go first and second. All right. Hopefully we're able to hear that. All right, hey guys, that's pretty much it. I'm a bit pleased. I was expecting much worse. Going through the gears, it really didn't sound bad at all. It may sound different on the road, but I suspect if we give this thing 500 to 1,000 miles, give it a chance to break in, that cabin noise may quiet down. We'll see how that goes. And then if it doesn't, or if it's got to quiet down some, I gotta believe it's gonna wear, you know what I mean, wear into place. If not, if there's still some noise there, we'll try that additive. It did get a bit quieter just from a few minutes of running because it was in the low 60s. So yay about that, right? I think it's gonna be good. I can't wait to get this thing out and hammer on it. I'm not sure what happened from the first to second gear on that one tryout. It just didn't want to go in. I didn't want to force it. I'm not sure honestly what happened. Hopefully that doesn't happen again. But from a gear standpoint, going from gear to gear, it feels pretty good, feels pretty solid. Of course, I got the short throw, Barton short throw shifter on there with the Blowfish Racing bracket. So anyways, all is good. Thanks guys, thanks for my new subscribers. And we got some fun stuff coming up. We got a line lock. We got a surprise for next year that we're going to be getting soon. I hope. I'm waiting on the order. I placed it. It's not here yet, but hopefully it does get here. I just hope they're in stock still. If not, then we'll have to find a alternate solution. But anyways, all is good, man. So hey, thanks. Have a great day. Take care.